Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hey, it's Clarissa and Nimrod here. So before approaching this problem, we're going to note that each box must have at least one ball in it. So it makes two arrangements. We can put 3 balls into one box. And 1 ball into each of the other 2 boxes. We'll call this X arrangement. And we can have another arrangement. We could put 1 ball into one box and 2 balls into each of the other 2 boxes. We'll call this Y arrangement. So for part A, for the X arrangement, there's 3 ways to choose the box that's crowded. So that gives us C of 5, choose 5, 3, which is 10 ways to choose the ball to be put there. And there's 2 ways for the other balls. So as we described, there were 3 ways for the first one, and then we have 10 times 2, which is 60 possibilities. For the Y arrangement, there's 3 ways to choose the box with 1 ball. This is X. There's 5 ways to choose which ball goes in. And there's C of 4, 2, which is 6 ways to decide which 2 balls go into the lowered numbered remaining box. So once we multiply this together, we get 3 times 5 times 6, which is 90 possibilities for the Y arrangement. We add both together and we get 150 ways. Part B, we know that there's 10 ways when looking at the X arrangement to choose the balls for the crowded box. For the Y arrangement, I'll just put X. There's 5 ways to choose the 1 ball into one box right here. And 3 ways to choose the partner of the lowest remaining ball. So there's 5 ways to choose the 1 ball into one box and 3 ways to choose the partner of the lowest remaining ball. So that gives us 10 plus 5 times 3, which is 25 ways. For part C, we're looking at the X arrangement. There are 3 ways to choose for the crowded box. And for the Y arrangement, there's 3 ways to choose the box with 1 ball. So that gives us 6 ways. Part D, there's just 2 ways, which is either the X or Y arrangement.